All right, it is like Christmas in July around here. Busted Radio Garage has sent several packages. No pallet, but we've got quite a few boxes to open up. We're gonna get started with this one. Feels like it just might be the heaviest. Looks like we've got it upside down. Right, 1.5 ton jack. That will come in handy. Next up, long package. Looks like this one's upside down as well. All right. Two-ton jack and jack stands. Very nice. This one's wrapped extra. Right. We've got Busted Radio Garage sticker. Linda, Lady Justice. Homer, the Junkyard Dog. We have got a tag. Busted Radio Garage. Getting after it since 1975. Signed. Gloves. 3 packs. And 2 boxes of 3-ton ratcheting jack stands. Man, this is quite the haul. And we're not done yet. Right. .36-inch shop creeper. That'll go good in my new shop someday. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Go over to BRG, check out his channel. I'll be putting the link in the description of this one, maybe even pinning it in the comments. Thank you all. Have a good night.